6:35 in the morning. Now my sorry I been jogging. Get me the came one account 9. Jenya ben kwa ka betia for door.
Okay.
Walk here, walk.
Leg one. Leg one. Okay. Okay. Yo, is that a hawk dance?
Yo, listen, 2021, yeah. My New Year's resolution is to learn how to dance. Because honestly,
clearly you have to.
I have to let him.
You have to.
Can I just say, when you're learning how to dance, like face him. Kindly face DJ Vorosky.
I'm done.
Please.
I'm done.
Stop facing me. Face Vorosky, right?
Jason.
But yeah, welcome back to the show. Great music to start, right?
Of course. Ginger Me. Listen, I'm seriously feeling that song right there. It just, that, slow tempo gets you all up in your feelings. Yeah. I'm loving it. But we're about to switch things up just a little bit. Jason, I think this is Jason's favorite part of the show, okay?
Yeah,
where we give you guys the platform, so go and tell them.
Yeah, favorite parts. Now, like she said, it's all about giving the platform to come and express yourself. And I always say every week, send us messages on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. If you see us in the streets, attack us. Tell us the artists you want on this platform right now, because these are for the up-and-coming artists. And I'm proud to say, we've not even finished our first season, but now we're officially sponsored, or this segment is sponsored by Betway. We love the money.
Yeah, more quotes.
Come on, more money.
Send me the codes, man. DM me them codes. So yes, this part of the show is brought to you by Betway. We're happy they are part of us, and yeah. So we're going to get artists come through. We give them 3 rounds. Vorosky's the judge.
Yes.
And we go.
Bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
Here we go.
Bring them out.
Okay.
Bring them out.
Yeah.
Okay. So before we even start, one came in smiling, and the other came in
frowning,
like he's ready for business.
Literally. Usually I pick my person on their entrance, and now I'm confused. Maya confused. Ip dip do, the cat got the flu, the dog got the chicken pox, and out goes you.
UK people, man.
Today you're my partner.
Okay.
But the way you're smiling, I'm even scared.
Maybe you guys are wondering why Miss Drew is picking. And what we do is we have 2 artists we don't know of, and they come on the show. She picks an artist. I never pick. I just get who I'm going to get. But they perform off the top. They don't know the beats Vorosky is going to drop. He's the judge, and then they take it away. And at the end, DJ Vorosky decides who wins. And since we began, honestly, I've always been winning, and I'm going to win today too. So let me just say, now he's all the way from Massachusetts, US. You're from US. But we're going to let them
guys, introduce yourself. What's your name and where you coming from?
I go by the name Yofi.
Yofi?
Yeah.
You fancy?
Yeah, I'm an Equiapim.
Okay. And you?
Democracy.
Democracy. From where?
Kaswa.
Kasland. Fadama boy.
Yeah, he's called democracy, but today we're being autocratic, right? Yeah.
But the democracy is not the normal democracy.
Okay.
Democracy.
Democracy.
Yeah, I heard it.
Interesting.
Okay. That's what we're talking about. Vorosky.
Okay.
All right. So, this is a platform where people get to know your talent. People get to see you. never know. Maybe Jay-Z is watching. He texted me last night about I did lie. Before you, I did lie.
Your DM is whatever.
I did lie. All right, so we have 3 rounds. So the first round, you show us what you've got. You do your own style. The second round, go for each other. Charlie, tell them things. You see, make you confuse them. Democracy, Yofi, it's a battle.
Come on.
And you have the last round where Miss Drew.
I'm about to think of a word.
When she's hungry, it's no problem. Whatever she says is what she wants to eat. So she gave us Kelewele. I'm sure today will be popcorn or something.
Kontomire.
Let's just see. Kontomire came up. So, it's a battle. This is what you guys go for. Charlie.
Okay, so that's your camera when you're rapping. That's your camera when you're rapping. Stay in the center stage. Don't put your back to the camera. Okay. Come with the energy. Yofi, if you disappoint, you're cancelled for 2021. Let go.
So who's starting? Okay, Democracy. Let's go.
Yeah. Democracy. Don't go there. Listen. Me say I am that I am. Give me my don't get cassava. Yeah, the boy they rap. As them see me, pen them call me master. Oh. harder than a stone. Kaka, boy, your shatter, living life, say Mohammed. But boy, no one person rapping on the beat. To see we now, we start the high. Menya bread and a kabota, menya dia go die. Fake rappers claim me when them see me, pen them shy. Yes, a rapper be better to me. Oh, Kai. Rapper she be say lika pane we him o the farmer Peter rap me dan mu teacher mu ti kokwa me ye mu leader yeah the boy in West Bermuda mother fe madan mo fa so no mercy break or kaka yeah me no my controller boy na been from Guinea Savannah them say I betrayed to Ghana this time I dey under he true and that I go pass Medina me nya mic attend to my dog the big gas me nya wiser but don't point to fire but me why you still using a lighter undisputed rapper when you try me I swear I go murder never enter my trap and yes sir me met you Sebela why the fake rappers they democracy baba chimi say greater specializing and be greater be with danger
Okay.
Fire!
All right.
Fire!
Miss
Fire.
Drew, you're supposed to talk about your guy, yo.
It's
Yeah.
true. But Yofi got this. Did you
All
see
right,
me?
Yofi.
Don't worry.
Yofi's like, calm down, man.
Don't worry.
Y'all heard him?
I'm not worrying, okay,
That was
Yofi?
democracy.
Right.
Yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy.
My
Show me.
Yo, Fee, are you going to chop him like Chofi?
Come on!
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
call me YHROPHR
Alright.
Yofi I was in the building tie okay let me 2 seconds I found who the metro process I'm see your feet where you watching the woody on join the process as I'm a can you now go man switch you know see I don't care what the picture wa betina ko encha wonche when your gravity never put me down I'm a hella yo man I'm a crown when you the nigga come some your sound me jamu timo na mo chama juna monso be anywhere your sound Cinema 2021 I'll come in by force. Don't pass me back game through the window. Don't feel kiss I'll come in by doors. Don't pass my sem, I was them. It be true, you know before. Undisputed rapper, yeah, I'm to be that the boy the force. Multiply the mass and acceleration, the boy the force. I be the head, you be the tail. Don't pass my point, just auto toss. If my rap, yes simple. Like I be brothers, me do me back fever and rap. Cause I'm the sickest. God's time be the best. Forgetting rollers, that's how rap is 60 minutes back. But I rap is hours. Remember with 3 lines for free like I be Adidas. When I was pepper tree, I made him but some say Calibus MIM be my degree. My fans they love that. When we now hook the mic and I'm your triangle. True pass.
God's time be the best.
Did you hear what he said?
You see that?
He said God's time is
To
the
be
best.
best,
Forget the
not
Rolex,
Rolex.
man. Forget. Hey.
So, Jason, you're supposed to stand behind democracy.
Wait.
Okay, right.
That's
First
just
round.
the first round.
Woof, I'm getting hot, guys. You
that
guys
was-
really brought the fire.
But if you two replace more, then you take the small car like that.
Jason.
Come first round.
Jason, what do you think?
Replace
Okay,
more.
okay,
Nice
okay.
one, nice one,
Bareski,
nice
what do you
one.
think so far?
This guy's gonna rap.
This is good. This is real
Democracy.
rap.
More
You guys
heat.
are bringing that real
He's not your friend.
2021 energy.
Yeah.
Okay, second round. You guys are going head to head for each other. So I want some good
Punchlines.
bars. Remember, hey, we are friends. But still, send them shots. Lego.
Don't worry
Okay.
Okay, see, send me to me buffalo. Me do rap man grow me kidi dada. Say no most me punch lines I want here now person be blow me there. No. What to me so. Better go. Na friend me yo. See, you can't afford my rap, so you give me the Range Rover with one accord. Give me the praise like you do to Jay Hova. Jamaican rap the crowd, but whatever say yo, if you take over, you morning why you sober. You wanna see me like your father? Are you sober king? If not, the thing can say yay. Remember that what to say yay. When even the software JJ, may your rap auto create cooler for me JJ Rollins. Couldn't this me now? You call my homie Collins. You wanted hustling and then that ball and shouts to Pip. Tata, Sterling, or man forget, cause I'm installing rap Bluetooth, I speak the truth. I'm in the hood, I mean your brotherhood, your move is good, but it's too cool. But if I need to fool you, why you do? When there's to yourself, you miss the message, so this is the lesson. You better listen to the reason I'm giving you now. Hey yo, better me Yofi. Yeah, rapping so long, I don't know how to stop. You ever do me like to pass, I just have a rap no back to back. Try me, you can't be out my flow.
Yo.
Wow, Yoshi,
Hold up.
you talk very fast.
What did you say there? You want to see me as your father?
Are you sober, Ken?
Boss! But I'm not supposed to do this, but that thing called me like, yo! You want to see me like your father? Are you sober? No, bro.
I grown
China
up on
democracy.
serious.
This one, the democratic one. This one here.
More good.
Okay, democracy.
Small thing, you take on serious like that. Hey, see, Small and little rappers when you hype proclaim a master. Shout out to one of my little hook makers, my friend Shaker. Rappies I keep pushing the game and never watch no bastard. Me present me put 1,000 questions, but I'm trying to answer. Who is the best and who is the worst? Who is the last and who is the first? Be free hopper, who is the next? My shango. My music loss who go woman, lyrics be fresh or unferment. I know you hate it, don't pretend. I pray to God you all. John 10:30, I'm a father, I won. He can decide to be my son, but we can never be one. Underrating democracy is the greatest around. I pray to God, yeah Allah, you make me strong like Van Damme. I be strong, I be Samson with for the mansion, with the climb over mountains, see blessings, some counting, land graph, I keep on plotting. My eyes are lifted, can never float. Rap your ball and can show no mercy, man. I pray to God, God bless me. But democracy.
Oh wow. Wow. Wow.
All right. That was
Wow.
hot. That was hot.
I
That was
mean,
hot.
I'm
Okay.
confused.
You're confused, right?
Okay, don't worry, Yofi, though. I still got your back. You know, you born on
got you, I
Friday.
got you.
I still got your back. Okay, it's my turn. I'm about to drop a word. I'm not that hungry, so it's not going to be about food. The words that I am going to pick today, the rules are you need to use the word as much as possible, okay? The word is heels, like high heels. Thank you. High heels.
Okay,
let's
you heard
see.
her.
Oh, grr.
Heels? Heels?
Heels.
Heels. Like heels. All right, so democracy. It's a democratic world. Let's do this right now.
Hey!
What's it heels?
Okay.
Democracy. Charlie MX24, you're back. We just did do something. What's what? Listen, nothing, brother. Getting me feeling. What's your heels? Me at the feel. What's it getting me feeling? What's your heels? What's it there? Getting me feeling. What's your heels? Then I'm going to at the feel. What's it? Billy fuse. Oh God, I don't know. What's it heels? Yes, sir. I don't know what. I go talk DJ Varoski. Yes, sir. Uber Hughes. Uber Hughes. Uber Hughes. Uber Hughes.
Okay.
Jesse.
That's a chorus. These are my artists, when they come to just give choruses. Sometimes the bars are too much. You need to calm down. Have you ever heard a song that was chorus? Okay, that was a bridge save.
What's the heels?
Rusty.
What's the heels? What's the heels?
Just wondering.
What's the heels?
Yo.
Okay.
Okay.
Rusty
Next one.
Hill.
I think he gave us the chorus.
Yes,
Maybe Yofi
give
give
us
us
the
us the
best.
song.
Give us the best.
You got us, yeah?
All right, let's do this, Yofi.
Let's go.
M-I-M. Yo, Hills. Yeah, dance be freestyle. See, you the guy that times we are sending you my song where you talk shit show, but you never share. Now at the roll on, you the guy. Then times where I the chat you, where I the tell you my feelings, where I the tell you say I the love you. You tell me say I'm dreaming. Now I'm winning. You won't make a sort, you don't make a insult you. What be like Gino? You truly care. You know be Dino red by Dylan hair. Oh Lord, you made me an alumni. Or dance you West Coast Bandai. You be your day she cause you don't die. Take off you be at don't die. If your father the plant you, know the mean say you are the son of the most high. Today not be Thursday, like I go throw back Nigeria ex-president self, they wish me good luck. Jonathan, what you, mark my words and look say, the bottom of jaw, you for wise up and rise up. We there here at the chill. He say, make we freestyle plus and word. That be hell. I they do this, I know they fail. I still, I be the best.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
All right.
Wish your heels. Oh, crrr. All right. I mean, Baroski, this is up to you now.
Yeah,
you
man.
had the decision is in your hands. Is it Yofi or democracy? Which one?
Can you guys give me a Benz before I announce this? Can I
He's
get a
got the
Benz?
Rolex.
Can I get, yeah. Okay, so y'all two were dope. Democracy, I like your style. I like your vibes. Your feet, punchlines, everything on point. I think today, Democracy gave us chorus for the 10th round. That was when he slacked. So I think I'll give it to Yofi for today.
Yes.
So I told you.
You got me,
Hey,
boo-boo.
then I told you, hey.
Jason, what you saying?
Be careful.
Thank you.
Be careful.
Okay, cool. So, Democracy, please tell us your social medias where we can follow you and find you and all that good stuff.
Okay, on Instagram it's Democracy.
With a K.
Spell it.
Yeah, with a
K.
K.
Yeah.
Official Democracy Music, sorry. DEMOKRACI, Official Democracy Music. And then on Twitter is Democracy. On Facebook, Democracy. Yeah.
Nice. Now, Yofi.
My M.
Uh-huh.
That's music and me.
Music
So-
and me.
On Instagram is YHIOPHI.
Wow.
Everywhere on all social media platforms. It's YHIOPHI Yofi MIM.
I love that. MIM, Music in Me. Now, of course, because you're the winner, you can do a last freestyle for us. Show them what you got and why they should follow you.
Okay. MIM.
Okay.
I was in the building. Big up Ski University, what's up? Okay. Tia. Emran Bisa, I told my mom I'm gonna make you proud. Told my dad I'm gonna be a star and sing aloud. He told me no, never, he won't allow. Said I had to be a soldier. Dad, I told you, I was many abre, I was soldier. Dad, many abre, so soldier. And then I'm china hayo, keka set me by yo. Female low so me hayo. Ya yanka yo, you proud. I said me ban you from Awoshi to Ohio. Me ma was say Ohio. Shut up, ayo, we are bring pound. See what be anywhere when me mashase. Boom said you are emra when he better now what's in my say. We put them in here, ya me can't say ya me dase. Or Brian is a mass the chemistry, so me that's what ya say. The way you swim to the ups and downs, Munchi Monka. Me watch him and the mother and my sister be into Monka. Some of them can, I mean a bit to Yamoka into Monfa. Yo.
What I was saying, yo, but this guy got boss.
Look at that. Look at that. Yes, guys, you already know we're having too much fun right here on MX Beats. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back reading out your messages. So send your messages and let us know how you are enjoying the show. We'll see you right after this.